Hey there, fellow enthusiasts. Growing with Dragon here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be combining two of my favorite things, card games and cannabis. We're going to be unboxing or unpacking the Solfire Phoenix Forge cards, and while we're at it, we're going to be enjoying some great strains. Remember to consume responsibly and within your legal limits of your area. Stay safe. Take a look at these Solfire Phoenix Forge card packs. They are loaded with 5 random cards of different rarities, plus a bonus 3-pack of seeds. Perfect for unwinding tonight. Let's see what we can get. Let's dive in. And then along with my order of the Solfire Phoenix Forge cards, I got a freebie Phoenix Forge card. The Gozer OG comes with your order over qualifying amounts. I have a whole binder full of these. Let's go ahead and add to the collection. Let's open up the first pack and see what we get. We have a green puck. Let's see here. We have ice cold. All right, Bahama Bust Down crossed with hood candies. Put that off to the side there. Flip these over. We have Careful Inspection. YU Jelly, one of my top favorite strains, no doubt. Creature Panic. Don't panic, it's organic. Fungus Snatch. Ooh, no one likes that. And Grim Bastard OG, a classic. Alright, let's put these off to the side and grab the next pack. On to the next one. We have a purple puck. Gas Nana, Banana Runts, crossed with Gary. We'll put that off to the side. Magic Dawn, that Dawn Mega. Cherrylicious. What a fuzzy ass strain. That one is, ooh, get you some of that if you have. Oh, I've been wanting one of these. A Dawn Mega card. I finally got it. And, oop, Orange Cannoli right there behind it. Yes. And some Mad Dog. Should I howl? Oh! Mad Dog, baby. On to the next pack. Man, I just love the artwork on these cards. It's so trippy. Just like tonight's vibes, baby. We got a white pack. Poppin' Bottles. Rosé Cake crossed with hood candies. Another Careful Inspection. Oh, we got a Lucky Phoenix card. The rarity, some cards come with a special card that will have a code attached to it. Each card will have a special perk, such as mine right here. Lifetime Phoenix membership. Welcome to the club, buddy. Block Monster. Oh yeah. The Chad, the Giga Chad. The Get Down. Alright, that's a great pack. I'll add that to the collection. On to the next one. Also, these cards can be played into a card game. They are not just collectibles. Each card has a specific perk and ability to it. Once you have a full deck, you can play with others. We have another white puck, Mad Dog. Purple Marmalade crossed with hood candies. Orange Cannoli. Mega Runts. I like the artwork on that one. That one's cool. Creature Panic. Bad Kitty. Meow. Baby Cakes. Mwah. That's a nice quick pack opening. Let's on to the next one. It's really neat that each pack comes with a pack of seeds. Like, that's just so cool. A white pack. What do we have? Mad Dog once again. Let's see what's in the cards. Ooh, Powder Mildew. Ugly yet powerful. The Chad once again, that beautiful face. Happy Hour, one hell of a strain. Space Juice. Oh, I could go for some Space Juice right now. That looks appealing. Spider Mites. Ooh, Powder Mildew and Spider Mites in one pack. Ooh. I don't know about that. That's unlucky, I'd say. On to the next one. Alright, this is the last one. Let's see what we get. Oh, struggling here. Alrighty. Seed pack first. Green. G-Ride. Gary crossed with Hood Candies. Add that on over to the collection there. And dun 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 dun. Meow. Bad Kitty once again. Baby Cakes. Thunderbird. That's a cool one. I haven't seen that one yet anywhere. I like that. Master Grower. We all know someone like that, right? Self-proclaimed. Another Phoenix card. Comes with special perks. This one is 2,500 Phoenix points to use on the Solfire Phoenix website. Don't forget to use code Dragon Balms at checkout for an additional 15% off. Alright, let's take a look here at our seeds that we got. One more look here. This is the best part almost. So one more time, we have Ice Cold. Mad Dog. Mad Dog. G-Ride. Gas Nana. And Poppin' Bottles. Now that we've got all of our cards and strains, I'd say it is going to be time to go and enjoy my high. Maybe even go do some deck building or rearranging of the old bookcase here. Add some to the collection. I've got a whole bunch already. 2 pages or so. And savor the moment. That's the stuff. The perfect accompaniment to our card opening session. Take a look here at what we've got going on. I would say I've got about a full deck now. I'm gonna keep getting more. I want to fill out this entire little booklet that I've got here. Only a couple more pages to go. So, thank you for joining me on this laid-back Solfire Phoenix Forge Pack opening adventure. If you had a good time, don't forget to hit us and give me that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Remember, stay green, keep it mellow. Keep those cards coming in. Stay lifted, my friends. I'll see you next time.